In this guide, I'm going to show you how to split or trim a video in the TikTok editing studio. Intro. First, open TikTok and tap the plus icon at the bottom. Go ahead and record a new video or upload one from your phone, then tap the checkmark to continue. And on the editing screen, go ahead and tap the edit option right here. And it should be the third icon below the arrow. But your video will now appear on the timeline. Tap the clip to select it. And you can move the playhead to the exact point where you want to divide the video. So let's say I want to have the video end right here. Then tap the option that says split. You can repeat this anywhere on the timeline to create multiple sections. But I can go ahead and delete this part of the video here and I'm left with this. To trim the video, select the clip and either drag it inward or outward depending on what you want. Let's say I wanted to get that ending back, I could actually extend this part and get it back the way it was before. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.